Hello everyone. Today in physics class we will explain in detail about the bonds between work and energy, the relationship between energy and mass, the law of conservation of energy, the difference between non-renewable and renewable resources, and the many varieties of ways on how to save and preserve our energy to improve our global ecosystem. The summarized facts of the bonds between work and energy is that energy can be used to do work and energy can also be transferred from work. A ball, for example, weighing around 10 newtons falling off a roof at a speed of 5 meters per second, and the house is about 12.5 meters long. Therefore, the equation for kinetic energy would be a half times mass 10 newtons times velocity 5 meters squared equals 125 newtons. The equation for potential energy would be 10 newtons times 12.5 meters equals 125 newtons. As said by itself, energy can be conserved by siding with the law of conservation of energy. According to the example that we previously shown you, the output of the equation for kinetic energy and potential energy are congruent. Therefore, mg times h is m times velocity squared, basically meaning that 125 newtons equals 125 newtons. According to Einstein's famous equation, or E equals mc squared, mass can be converted into energy as energy can also be converted into mass. Some even say that mass is also a measure of energy. That is why the mass inside our system increases as energy is added inside it. As a simple but not scale equation, let the speed of light, or c, be 10 meters squared, as the value of mass be 3 kilometers. E equals 3 kilometers times 10 meters squared, therefore E is 300. A typical fact that can be known to apply to Einstein's equation is that it is currently incomplete, whereas it is still in development. What is similar between our Earth's resources is that they can be consumed, but what different about them is that some of those resources cannot be restored after they were consumed. That is why we have the sources of non-renewable and renewable energy, fossil fuels and solar energy for instance. The pros and cons for non-renewable energy is that they are easier to transport, but they cannot be replaced after they are used. The pros and cons for renewable energy is that they are easy to regenerate, but very difficult to produce. This is the reason why energy always surrounds us as we go. In general, the methods of conserving energy basically means the way on how to save energy. The common ways of saving energy can be reducing the usage of electricity, embrace natural light, and less auto transportation usage. For instance, if you intend to enjoy taking long showers, then reduce the duration of showering in half, would cause you to save about 50% of the water instead of consuming the usage of it. Thanks to Philip for note development and scripts, David, Teravina, and Philip for artwork, David for the video recording, Teravina narrator. Thanks for watching.